Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching Trish Kitchen and I am Trisha. Today I am going to share with you Bengali style or Kolkata style chicken biryani's recipe. First of all, if you are new in my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Kolkata biryani is adopted from Awadhi style biryani, offers basmati rice, mild flavored spices, spicy chicken, aroma of meetha ator and keora water, and richness from ghee and perfectly cooked potatoes and hard boiled eggs. Now let's say the ingredients. 2 big onions, thin sliced for beresta. 2 cups of basmati rice soaked in water for half an hour. Lemon, 2 lemons, chili powder, salt. Yogurt, 3 to 4 tablespoons. 2 small onions chopped. Biryani masala, 2 to 3 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. 2 tablespoons of ghee. Potatoes cut into big pieces. Mix 1 pinch of saffron in 2 tablespoons of warm milk and keep aside. Hard boiled eggs. Bay leaves. Cinnamon. Black cardamom. Green cardamom. Cloves. Star anise. Keora water and meetha ator. Marinate the chicken with chili powder, salt, yogurt and lemon juice for 4 to 5 hours or at least 1 hour. For beresta onion, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and fry thinly sliced onions till golden brown in color in low flame. Once done, remove from oil and keep on paper towel until needed. Boil water, add salt in it, add all the whole garam masala and bay leaves. Add rice and cook until rice is half done. Once rice is half done, drain water and spread the rice on a flat surface. Discard the bay leaves and whole spices. Add salt and turmeric in potatoes. Fry the potatoes until the potatoes are half done. Once the potatoes are half cooked, remove from oil and keep them aside. Heat oil in a pan, add half tablespoon of ghee. Add onions and fry till the onion become light pink in color. Add ginger garlic paste and fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Add chicken. Fry the chicken for 2 to 3 minutes. Add potatoes. Fry the chicken on medium flame until chicken and potatoes become tender and soft. Add the biryani masala and cook for few more minutes. The chicken and potatoes are well cooked now. Add half tablespoon of kevra water in chicken and keep aside. Now take a large pot and arrange the chicken, rice and eggs in layers. Add some ghee, beresta onion and saffron milk. Make another layer of chicken and rice. Add again ghee, beresta onion and saffron milk. Cover the pan with heavy-duty aluminum foil and then cover it with a lid for 5 to 7 minutes. Once it's done, turn off the heat and allow it to rest another 15 minutes before serving. Our chicken biryani is ready to serve now. Serve it hot with your choice of raita, salad. Enjoy the chicken biryani. And if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.